Hello! In this lesson, I will show you how to create a UV information of a particular object here in Autodesk Maya. So I have here a rifle. So this is our testing or test subject for this lesson. Now, this object has already have a existing UV. So by the way, U stands for horizontal and V stands for vertical because in UV concept, it only has uh, two dimension. So that will be the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so moving on. So to view the UV information, just navigate your cursor into UV. Okay, so by the way, I am here at the modeling tab. You cannot see the UV if your tab is set into rigging or animation or whatnot. So therefore, you need to set the tab into modeling. Go here into UV. Go into UV editor. Okay, once you highlight all of the object, so you will see the existing UV information. But in this lesson, no, we will delete this and we will create another one. So just go here into face selection, hold right click and face selection, highlight all of these to delete that. You can use backspace or you can use the delete button in your keyboard. Okay, so now since we do not have UV information, so we will need to create another one. So I prefer to switch the viewport into side view because we need to select the face accurately. Okay, so now in creating UV, you need to identify first how many parts do you need in order for you to have a realistic texture. For example, in this model, let's count how many parts for the telescope. So 1 for the silencer, 2 for the grip, 3, so on and so forth. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need 7. Or you can, you can treat this as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 parts for this object. So first is, I will apply UV map or UV information on this particular part. So go to face selection, highlight it, go here into your UV editor, hold shift, as well hold right click, go to mapping, proceed to planar mapping. Okay, so next is we need to unfold it. So how? Just same procedure, hold shift, hold right click, unfold, unfold. This is what it looks like. So you see, it caters all of the coordinates. So we need to organize it properly. So by using transformation, geometric transformation, I will press R to resize it. And I will move it based on my preference because we need to organize it properly. Just like this. And you can repeat the procedure with the other parts of your object. For For example, this magazine uh, handle, I need it to create a UV for this. So I will highlight it, or you can highlight the particular object by using face selection like this. Okay, so once you highlight all of this, or you can actually check whether all of the part is highlighted properly. Okay, once done, go here again into UV editor, hold shift, hold right click, mapping, planar mapping. Okay, to unfold, hold shift, hold right click, unfold, unfold. Resize it. Okay. So, for example, if you want to add texture for this, all you need to do just highlight its UV. And by this, you can easily add materials or texture by having UV information. Thank you for watching.